I got into the office late. After a cup of coffee, I realized that I had a buyer whose search criteria was impossible. They wanted something that nobody could deliver. It was the missing apartment. An apartment in New York City, Greenwich Village. They wanted outdoor space. Not only that, they wanted a big closet. I don't think this place exists, but I would set out to find it. It's impossible, kid. I've been around a long time. I've been through every binder, every listing in this city. It doesn't exist, this apartment.
It does exist. I think there's one thing you overlooked. It's 60 East 9th Street. I think that's the thing.
How are you?
How you doing?
Good to see you again.
I see you.
Nice to meet you.
I see you. How are you?
We've got a nice place for you to see today. You told me you wanted an apartment, laundry in the building, a courtyard, an alcove studio. But what did you really want that we didn't think we could find? Closet space.
Wow, this is amazing.
What did I tell you? On 60 East 9th Street, apartment 420 in Greenwich Village.